Okay, let's call this a really stupid idea. So I was looking at this RGB LED strip and I realized, I kind of figured, but now I saw it on the strip itself, that it uses 12 volts. This is the positive, and then the negative goes to the 3 separate circuits for the RGB, green, red and blue. So what I did, I hooked up 3 white LED strip pieces to the 3 colors, and I am going to power it on for the first time. I think this could be very useful for signage. Maybe people already use it, I don't know. This could be very useful for lighting up signs, because with the different functions here you can make different animations, let's call it. So the lights can fade, they can vibrate and stuff. So let's try it out. I haven't plugged it in yet. I want to capture the potential explosion on video. So let's see, I'm going to plug it in. Yeah, this is cool. So now it's cycling between our red, green and blue. And let's see what we can program with this. So with the red, yeah, that's the middle one, I can make that light up green, blue, white, all 3, and different shades with these orange and yellow, green, different shades of green. Yes, this is pure green. Okay, blue, shades of blue. Wow. Okay, this is very useful. So let's see the functions. Flash. So this is the flash button, and now it's just cycling through the... You can increase the speed. Cool. And you can decrease it. Let's see the minimum speed. Tick, 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 tick. Okay. Let's see strobe. With this it fades and slowly moves on to the next. This is kind of cool. Fade. Is this the same thing? What? Yeah, what? Let's speed it up. Maybe I'm not saying it right. Well, this is the same thing as fade. Not really. Oh. So this is something else. But this can be used for signage or something. I don't know what it's trying to do. Let's see, higher speed. Yeah, whatever, it does what it does. And let's see the last one, the smooth. Oh, this is not smooth. Let's decrease the speed. This is kind of interesting. Yeah. So, my point with this is that you can do a lot of things, like animations and stuff. I mean basic animations. This remote and RGB controller, they cost like $3 separately, without the LED strip and stuff. And you can connect, like, it supports 6 amps, and usually an LED strip is 1 or 2 amps per meter, so at least 3 meters of LED strip. I mean 1 meter on each color, and draw something with it, a cartoon figure or something, and different parts of it will light up in these program modes, or just parts of it when you want. Wow, you can decrease the brightness really well. So yeah, you can the simplest thing is draw arrows with this, so you're trying to lure people in one direction where your store is, where the entrance is or something. And yeah, this is kind of interesting, because I didn't know what to use the colors for. When you have an RGB strip that is really primitive, so here you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 LEDs in a module, and they are in a specific order, and you can't really draw something with it, like a signage or something, because then parts will be missing when you want to illuminate stuff. But if all the LEDs are white and there are set distances from each other, it's much easier. Well, okay, you can also, but this requires some programming skills, you can also use this RGB strip, but then you will have to put some strips between the, so let me just show you, like this, between, in perpendicular, so there will be another color between the two LEDs, maybe green red red or green blue red. Yes, so they would be closer together like this, and then you can program it to do some animation and stuff. But that is kind of complicated because you have to factor in many things with the stupid RGB strip, where the colors are in a specific order, and you're very limited with this. You can do a lot of stuff, but it's kind of complicated. It's much simpler with the white LED strips. White, they're kind of pink or purple or whatever. I don't know. This was the really cheap LED strip. It was $3 for 5 meters. Yeah, and it's kind of cool for computer cases and whatever, just having some minimal lighting somewhere. If you don't want it to be completely dark, you just put one of these modules and it pretty much lights up a room, so it's not completely dark. So yeah, that's about it. I leave some links in the description, and yeah.